Hello, I'm Rebecca, and this is Your Bourbon Journey. Welcome back for episode 52 of Thirsty Thursday Cocktails. This January, we're creating cocktails that will warm your spirit on a cold winter night. Tonight, we're going to load up a modern classic known as the Revolver. It was originally created to be a spicy and caffeinated riff on the Manhattan. But tonight, we're going to level it up just a tad by creating a single distillery approach using Town Branch Distillery. We're going to pair a powerhouse bourbon of True Cask from Town Branch that is 108.6 proof with their own Bluegrass Sundown Bourbon Coffee Liqueur. Let's start building this cocktail. First, we're going to take the Town Branch True Cask and we're going to add 2 full ounces to our mixing glass. Now, this is a high-malt bourbon. Often with a Revolver, you will use a high-rye bourbon. This high-malt is going to give us this breaded, almost chocolate malt aroma that's going to be amazing. Now, what I think is a showstopper here is the Bluegrass Sundown. We're going to add a 1/2 ounce of this to our mixing glass. This is great by itself or in a cocktail. It is a bourbon-based liqueur and it has intense dark roasted coffee flavors. It's almost like sipping on a bourbon espresso. To bring balance, we're going to add a Trinity of Bitters. We will start out with the mole bitters for an earthy anchor to everything. And we're going to use 1 dash of each of these. Then our orange bitters will be our brightener and bring the lift to this otherwise pretty dark cocktail. Finally, because we're doing a riff on a Manhattan, we need a little cherry note in here. So cherry bitters will give us that fruit pop as well as the feeling of a Manhattan. That's really all there is to it. Just a quick stir. We will add ice and stir for at least 30 seconds because of the high proof nature of this and because of its dark, rich flavors, but we will shorten that for you. It's very well chilled. We will strain this into a coupe glass. You could also use a Nick and Nora glass. It's very dark. You can tell it's got a lot of really interesting flavors in here. I can already smell the aromas coming forward. And one more thing, we're going to take an orange peel and in addition to expressing it, we're going to lightly torch it. That's going to really bring forward some of these amazing flavor profiles here. And gives a light smokiness too. And we can put that right in the glass. Just like that. Of course, right now the aroma I'm getting is this torched orange peel, which is fabulous smoky and citrusy aroma coming forward, but I am getting a lot of coffee notes as well. So cheers to the Revolver. Deep, dark roast coffee with a brightness of orange and the smokiness from the orange peel. And we're also getting a little bit of that earthy spice from the mole bitters. And oh my goodness, the cherry. It is a riff on a Manhattan. I'm enjoying this greatly. This is just something you want to have in the wintertime when it's a cool evening. Next week, we will have another warming cocktail. So please join us for episode 53 next Thursday. But tonight, as always, I ask that you please drink responsibly, that you have a fantastic Thirsty Thursday, and enjoy a nice kick out of the Revolver. Cheers.